is Stacy with the Artisan School, and I am so excited to introduce you to the Pianocraft course. So let's take a look. Here is the Pianocraft course. There are 20 chapters, and each chapter is broken into a series of lessons. You'll click on a lesson, and there'll always be an intro video, and each lesson includes clear step-by-step instructions, detailed visuals, and in-depth video demonstrations. We break everything down into simple, easy-to-understand steps so you never feel overwhelmed. You'll watch the videos, read all the content, and at the very bottom, there's a practical assignment at the end of each lesson to help you ground everything you've been taught. And at the very bottom, and here's my favorite part, is we have all these supplemental videos. So if you're like, I just need a little more here, that's where you can get it. And we're always adding more. When you're done, you'll mark it as complete, and you'll see this little check mark when you're finished. Another thing I'm so excited to show you is we have these 3D action models available to you. We created these specifically to help you deep dive into one of the most complicated features of the piano, the action. If you are interested in getting your certification, at the end of each chapter, there is an exam, as well as a final exam at the end of the entire course. After passing all the exams, you'll receive a certification of completion at the end. And you'll also get this badge to display not only on your website, but any other marketing material. The Pianocraft course also comes with 3 months of free mentoring, so feel free to reach out to your instructors if you have any questions. We're so excited about this course because we know it will give you all the tools necessary to get out there working on pianos. If you have any questions, visit us at theartisanschool.com.